Okay guys, today's video is the verb morau, which means to receive. Last video we said we did give, to give, ageru, right? So it's the opposite, morau. It's an irregular verb that we're going to be changing the last hiragana, u. Okay, so the dictionary form is morau. For example, presento o morau, to receive a present. Presento o morau. The masuke is moraimasu. For example, hana wo moraimashita. Hana wo moraimashita. I got flowers. I received flowers. I got flowers. You can even say ohana to make it polite. Ohana wo moraimashita. But you can just say hana wo moraimashita. I got flowers. The negative form is morawanai. Okay, morawanai. For example, 知らない人から飲み物をもらわない。I don't receive drinks, 飲み物, drinks, from, から, someone, people, 人ね, that I don't know, 知らない。知らない人 means strangers, okay? So, don't get drinks from strangers, basically. You can tell about yourself, or you can even tell this to somebody. Okay, you go clubbing, you say, listen, 知らない人から飲み物もらわないでください. Don't get drinks from strangers. Okay, especially for the girls with all this stuff going on, the drugs and stuff. Okay, so the last one is te, the imperative form. For example, もらってね. So, for example, どうぞこれもらってください. どうぞこれもらってください。どうぞこれもらってください。Please receive this. Please get this. It's kind of strange when we say it in English, but in Japanese, it's very common when you are offering something. You're giving someone food or an omiyage or a present, any kind of things, you say, どうぞ, please, もらってください. Please take it. Please take one. Please get it. Okay? どうぞこれもらってください. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video and I'll see you on the next one. それではまた。バイバイ。